C-Trak UK Conveyor manufacturers. This video shows you one of our custom built side grip belt conveyors with bottomless access. As you can see, it easily accommodates plastic bottles and handles them with care. Who uses this type of conveyor and why? They are often used in the cosmetic packing lines and bottling plants. They find this style of conveyor a great solution for inkjet and coding applications. This is because it's easy access underneath the conveyor, making coding on the bottom of the product stress-free. The grip face belts are fully adjustable for those different sized products. Call us now on 01525 850 316. That's 01525 850 316. Thank you for listening to the video.